This is the Seiko YJ20, what I like to call the grandfather of all things touchscreen and technology. What this is a fully functioning 6 to 7 inch touch operated alarm clock system. That might sound like something really fancy, but it's actually really practical. The digitalizer is right on top of the display. You can really tell that it's a digitalizer because if you look really closely and if you have really good eyes and the camera is not so high definition, so you can't tell, but there is actually these dots that go on and on and on in a very square-like pattern, and so that is the indication that it's a fully functioning resistive touchscreen digitalizer beneath here, and it's a very large digitalizer that tells you the time. Why would you need a digitalizer? Well, for a clock like this, it actually programmed the digitalizer to go beneath this fixed screen, which happens to be an image of a world clock. By pressing different cities and different dots on the map, you switch to different times and you switch to different places. This is a very interesting concept, especially since the YJ20 series came out way back then. This product is made in Japan, which shows you this is something probably in the early 2000s and late 1990s, so it's something that's definitely a long time back in terms of today, which is interesting because it's before touchscreens really got into that huge frenzy. The design itself is pretty nice. It has the Seiko logo on the top, which is a fairly nice bare name of timepieces these days. You've got a large monochrome display that displays the date. It's kind of wrong right now, but you also have the time in seconds, and it shows you the zone in terms of corresponding to the world. And you also have your time up here. So if we're in California, we press California. That's in California. It's in zone 3, which is 7:03. So as long as you set one zone correctly, it will automatically update, and you can press different zones to do it. As you can see, the touchscreen responsiveness is really fast. The programming underneath here is really swift, which is great because it tells that the device is really fast and it's great to respond, which is more than I can say is very, very, very responsive. Overall, also the look on this device looks really elegant. It's made of brushed aluminum and it fits the gold-like look of the entire design. It's a very nice metal, and the plastic on the top makes it look very futuristic and modern, even in today's standards. It has a nice tripod-like design. It only runs on 2 AA batteries. It lasts for a very long time. And you've got 3 flexion panel keys on the back that you can adjust time on, and there's some instructions behind the back cover. This is probably one of the more collector's item products, but you can definitely find it online if you have some patience. Do a quick search. I'm guessing, because I don't know the specifics on this model in particular, for around $30, $40. You should be able to pick one of these up. They're fun to play around. They're cool. If you're all about technology, all about touchscreen, this is a clock that's built for you. Thanks for watching. This is the Seiko, basically the touchscreen world clock. You can check this one out on our website, and I've linked you a few articles on this one. So thanks for watching.